In case you didn't already have enough reasons to lay awake at night, I'm going to give you 2 more now in the age of generative AI. And they're probably things you've already thought about, right? 1, is all of this worth the attention and the investment? Are we going to do useful, responsible things with this and get the value out of it? And 2, are people going to do dumb stuff? That's the challenge, right? That's what keeps leaders lying awake at night. It's part of why organizational adoption of these powerful tools is slower than most people want, because leaders are afraid we're all going to do dumb stuff. So I'm teaming up with HRDQ-U, and we're going to do a webinar workshop on what we call the W.I.S.E AI framework. And W.I.S.E AI is a framework for doing it right, getting good value out of our generative AI tools, and doing it smartly and ethically and responsibly with accountability and transparency, right? And so in this workshop, you're going to get a little bit of prompting skills along with a whole lot of framework for thinking about this in smart ways. I hope you can join us.